nobody I've ever known that's hit six figures, seven figures, and built a business that's sustainable, making money, and is continuously, robust, has ever been like comfortable, so to speak, right? So they're always somebody that's stepping outside their comfort zone. Always. Like, these people are never comfortable. And you and I have talked at length about this, about how like the second you're comfortable, the second you die. And I don't mean literally die, but I'm saying like your income, your energy, your flow, all that stuff dies like slowly, the second that you don't, get uncomfortable. That's why people are always saying, everything you ever wanted is right outside your comfort zone. You know what I mean? And I think it's more true than anyone could ever imagine.
For sure. And that's like right into, number one, stepping out of your comfort zone. Like, that's our number one. The first one out of the six-step mindset is, stepping out of your comfort zone. Just like Ben just said, you don't grow just staying in like a comfortable space. Like, you have to step out of it. You have to step out of the unknown. In order for us to kind of be comfortable, is like, we don't grow. You're stagnant. And a lot of people, like, we're only human. We want to stay in our comfort zone. Like, for introverts, they want to stay inside. They want to be in their comfort zone. They don't want to step out and grow and maybe like interact with different types of people. So like, when you're starting your business, you're going to be, especially if you've never started a business before, it's the unknown. It's scary. Humanly, like, your human instincts don't want you to start a business.
Right. Yeah, your natural, everything about your natural instincts, your body, and your natural environment, right? Like your parents, your friends, like, all the people around you, right? That kind of environment is not conducive to the first time business startup entrepreneur. That's not conducive. That's why people say surround yourself with the 5 most, productive people, or the 5 people that challenge you the most, or the 5 people that are doing better than you, or they could all have, one different thing about them that you really need to be around them for. And that could be 3 people. It doesn't need to be 5 people. And listen, for some people that are actually introverts right now, like, pro tip on this, if you don't literally, we're in some weird times right now. So if you're not surrounding yourself with people physically or whatever, listen, you can like surround yourself with a ton of digital people, right? Like, Facebook groups, right? Okay. Like our Facebook group, subscribe as a clients. You can read books, right? Surround yourself with the authors of those books. Like, be up in Tony Robbins' group, be up in Gary Vee's stuff. You know what I mean? Like, these are the people you can actually surround yourself with without actually, that doesn't mean you need to literally be like, yo, Mike, let's go for ice cream every single day, man. You and me, we need to talk all the time. I need to really like get to know you so I can like understand business. But you can get to people from a distance too.
Yeah, and I think like it's just scary. It's scary. It's scary trying anything new.
Yeah.
The uncertainty of not knowing what's behind the door, that's scary. When you're first starting your business, like, for example, like, say you want to, you've never ran a mile before, like you've never like put yourself out there and wanted to go test for yourself for a mile. And stepping into that, getting on the track, if you're not used to like being on a track, or you're not used to like knowing the stretch and do the right things, or like prep yourself, it's scary. Think about your first time. Like, I remember my first time going into LA Fitness.
Right.
Like, that was intimidating.
Right.
It's because it's the unknown. But now I treat it as like my second home. Like,
right.
Being in the gym. So it's just like, you always have to, if you want to grow, you want to try new things, you just have to step out of your comfort zone.
You got to step out of your comfort zone. It's an absolute must.